Look at this. Like, what is this? Like, what is... Yo, what's up everybody on YouTube? Welcome back again to Nenduboy channel, man. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you smash that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and don't forget to turn your notification button on. I can't be stressing out about that, but today's video I'm going to be talking about... By the way, this channel talks a lot about good stuff about Instagram. So today's video I'm going to be talking about the new update. I know everybody that went on Instagram this morning is wondering, what the hell is going on with their Instagram? What is happening with your Instagram? I'm asking the same question. So I am so excited to bring you guys this new update. So if you guys are gonna stay with me and let's get it, man. Grind to shine. We're gonna go deep into Instagram and find out what is going on and see what is going on, because I know there's a lot of people that is questioning. So when I went on my Instagram, man, so I just found that. So this is so let's click on Instagram, man. Boom. Yo, when I went on Instagram, what I found out is you cannot no more scroll down to your story on your timeline. I'm like, what is going on? What is going on? I thought I clicked it. It said your timeline now is just like Instagram story. And I was confused, man. Like, what is going on? What do they mean? Nah, my timeline is like Instagram story. Like, actually, when you scroll down, all you see is comments down below. All you really see is comments. So actually, how do you see people's story? It's simple. Do I like this feature? I don't really like this feature. I don't know. For some reason, I don't want to be doing this. This feels weird. Like, who wants to be doing this on their timeline? I want to be on my timeline and scroll down. I don't want to do this on my timeline. This doesn't feel good to me. For some reason, I'm not used to this. You know, I mean, I get it that it's technology and we have to adapt to new updates all the time, but for some reason, I am not new to this. I am not new to this. Look at this. Like, what is this? Like, this is not good. This is not. So Instagram, I don't know what you guys is trying to do. I don't know what you guys is trying to better. But you have to understand, we the people make Instagram. We are the people that make Instagram. If people don't use Instagram anymore, this is not an impressive update. This is look at this. You know, I'm not bashing Instagram or anything. I'm just putting out my opinion, because I know there's a lot of people that woke up this morning like, what the hell is going on Instagram? And I want to clarify you this morning that Instagram have updated their app and their story now. You can see the comments by going down. I mean, it's good. I hate shade room. I hate shade. I don't know. I'm not going to say the word hate, because the word hate is a big violence, but shade room puts a lot of negativity out, and I think that's good, because I don't want to be going on my timeline and see negative stuff all the time. There's the only reason that I follow shade room, but this is good. This is very good. I mean, no, this is not good. I'm tripping. But what they did to their comment is good. I like what they did to their comment. That is the actual positivity, because now, you know, you have to, if you really want to pay attention. I'm the guy that sometimes I read the comments, sometimes I don't read the comment. If I'm bored, I'm sitting on my couch, I don't have anything doing, I'm watching movies, I'm reading comments. You know, I think everybody does that. So, I mean, tell me guys your opinion on this update, man. If you like it, let me know. I don't know. I think, to me, I don't really like the update. It's cool. It's a cool feature. It's a new update. It's technology, but me personally, I don't really like the update. So you guys want to tell me what you think about this update down below, and let me know. And if you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn your notification button and share this video to your friends. And I drop dope contents, man. You go to my YouTube channel, I have videos on how to impress yourself, make money online, make money in real life, you know, all type of businesses on my YouTube channel. And let's get it, man. Grind to shine, man. God bless all my subscribers. Let's get it, man. Peace out.